Biology MCQs. Chapter 8 Respiration. Quiz 4. The apparatus in the diagram shows how air enters the lungs during breathing. Which structure represents the diaphragm? A, B, C, D. Option D is the correct answer. The diagram represents the movement of water between the environment and some living organisms. Question 2 continues. Where are the processes of transpiration and respiration involved in the movement of water? Options: respiration, transpiration. A, W, Z, B, X, Y, C, Y, W, D, Z, X. Option A, W, Z is the correct answer. The table compares aerobic and anaerobic respiration in muscle cells. Which comparison is correct? Options: level of energy released, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. A, positive negative, B, positive negative, C, negative positive, D, negative positive. Level of fatigue released, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. A, positive negative, B, negative positive, C, positive negative, D, negative positive. Option B, level of energy released, positive negative, level of fatigue released, negative positive is the correct answer. The graph shows the oxygen uptake by a person before and during a period of exercise lasting 20 minutes. The lines A, B, C, and D show the possible oxygen uptake by the same person after the period of exercise. Question 4 continues. Which line A, B, C, or D shows the oxygen uptake after the period of exercise? A, B, C, D. Option C is the correct answer. The diagram shows red blood cells in a capillary near the wall of an alveolus. Question 5 continues. Which process explains how oxygen passes from the plasma into the red blood cells? A. Active transport of oxygen by the red blood cells. B. Diffusion of dissolved oxygen from the plasma into the red blood cells. C. Diffusion of microscopic bubbles of oxygen from the plasma into the red blood cells. D. High blood pressure forcing the oxygen into the red blood cells. Option B, diffusion of dissolved oxygen from the plasma into the red blood cells, is the correct answer. The diagram shows a section through alveolus and a blood capillary. Where is the enzyme carbonic anhydrase found? A, B, C, D. Option C is the correct answer. The diagram shows a section through an alveolus and an associated blood capillary. In which part is the concentration of carbon dioxide highest? A, B, C, D. Option D is the correct answer. The diagram shows a section of an alveolus in a human lung. Question 8 continues. Which conditions would result in the maximum rate of diffusion of oxygen from the alveolus into the blood capillary? Options: amount of oxygen in alveolar air, amount of oxygen in blood, rate of blood flow. A. Small, large, fast. B. Small, large, slow. C. Large, small, fast. D. Large, small, slow. Option C, large, small, fast, is the correct answer. The diagram shows a section through an alveolus and a blood capillary. Question 9 continues. What are the oxygen concentrations at X, Y, and Z? Options: X, Y, Z. A. Low, high, low. B. Low, high, high. C. High, low, low. D. High, low, high. Option B. Low, high, high is the correct answer. Carbon dioxide turns lime water cloudy, milky. Which of these would demonstrate that expired air contains more carbon dioxide than inspired air? A, B, C, D. Option D is the correct answer. For more videos, keep watching our YouTube channel. To practice more quizzes, visit our website mcq.theproreaders.com.